Welcome to our channel. In this video, we reveal the easy step-by-step process to claim your Blue Cross Blue Shield settlement without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. If you have received news about a Blue Cross Blue Shield settlement and are wondering how to claim your share, you are in the right place today. We will guide you through the entire process step by step to make sure you get what you deserve quickly and easily. First step, understand the settlement details. Check if you are eligible by reviewing official notices or communications from Blue Cross Blue Shield or related legal entities. Make sure you meet the criteria to claim a settlement. Next, gather all necessary documents. These may include your insurance policy information, proof of enrollment, claims records, and any correspondence related to your case. Having all paperwork ready will speed up your claim submission. Third step, visit the official settlement website or contact the settlement administrator. This is where you will find claim forms, guidelines, and contact information. If you are unsure about the website URL, always confirm it through reliable sources or official announcements to avoid scams. Fourth step, fill out the claim form. Carefully provide all requested information accurately and honestly double-check your entries to prevent delays due to mistakes or omissions. Fifth step, submit your claim online. Submission is often the fastest method, but some settlements may allow mailing or faxing. Ensure you follow the specified instructions exactly. If you need confirmation, keep copies of your submission receipts or tracking information. Sixth step, monitor your claim status. After submitting your claim, keep an eye on any updates either through the settlement website, email, or physical mail. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information to avoid missing out on your settlement. Seventh step, once your claim is approved, you will receive payment details. The money may be issued by check, direct deposit, or another method specified in the settlement documents. Make sure you understand the timeline and next steps for receiving your funds. Finally, if you encounter any problems or have questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the settlement administrator or seek professional legal advice. They are there to help you navigate the process smoothly. Claiming a Blue Cross Blue Shield settlement does not have to be confusing or stressful. By following these clear steps, you ensure a smooth and successful claim. We hope this guide has clarified the process and given you the confidence to move forward with your settlement claim. Remember to keep all your documents organized and stay alert to deadlines so you don't miss out on this opportunity. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and updates on important topics.